We'll guide you through how to fix DaVinci Resolve crashing on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Preferences section by clicking DaVinci Resolve in the top menu and selecting Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the System tab and click on Memory and GPU. Here, you need to make sure that your GPU processing mode is set to Auto or CUDA if you're using an NVIDIA card. If you're using an AMD card, make sure it's set to OpenCL. Sometimes, setting these manually can resolve crashing issues as it ensures that DaVinci Resolve is using the correct GPU drivers. Next, go back to the main Preferences window and click on User then UI Settings. Here, disable the Use Optimized Display Mode during playback option if it's enabled. This can help with stability by reducing the strain on your system during playback. Another tip is to adjust your timeline settings. Go to your project settings by clicking File and then Project Settings. Under Master Settings, reduce the timeline resolution to something lower like 1080p if you're working with higher resolution footage. This can help lighten the load on your system, making it less likely to crash. Lastly, make sure your DaVinci Resolve software is updated to the latest version. You can do this by going to the Blackmagic Design website and downloading the latest update. Software updates often come with fixes for known issues that could be causing crashes. By following these steps, your DaVinci Resolve should become more stable and less prone to crashing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.